Hello and welcome to Coffee with Carey. I appreciate you stopping by today. It's a quick tip. Yep, yes it is. I had to check my notes. Is this quick? Is this gonna be quick? It is gonna be quick. How awesome is that? I was screening a man this week for one of my female clients in the Midwest, and we were into it for a bit, and towards the end of the conversation, he was saying a few things about how dating had been going for him and the apps weren't working that great, but he kept letting little things from his from his profile rather, kind of slip out into the conversation, and I realized it was a lot. And so he shared with me a paragraph here and a paragraph there. And I pointed out to him that a dating profile is meant to give the person a little taste of your personality or your vibe or your energy and give them something they can grab onto to open a conversation. Really, just say something. I had a friend and his profile said, "I once fell down a mountainside and lived to tell the tale. Ask me about it. I'll tell you the tale." And everybody who messaged him, of course, wanted to hear about that. He gave them something to grab onto and use to their advantage as an opening, as a conversation starter to create a communication in the texting part of the app. And that served its purpose very, very well. One sentence. This fella was sharing all about his personality, all about what he's learned about himself, what he's looking for, what he's not looking for, where he sees himself. What's the point of going on a date with this fella? He's given us everything that there is to know about him from the first 4 or 5 dates and smushed it all into this dating app profile. And he's leaving nothing to the imagination. It's way too much. Even if you liked what he was saying, there's going to be something in there you don't like, I think is my point. Even if you thought he was cute and you thought, oh, he kind of has my values based on what he's saying, but he goes a little too far in the next paragraph and you're like, yeah, I don't think I like a person who comes from that point of view. Why give somebody a reason to not meet you? Just give them enough to hook them and make sure that you get a conversation started. I wanted to say that. Be concise and use your dating profile as a short, brief commercial for you. It doesn't have to be what some of the dating apps would have you fill out in a questionnaire. If it doesn't provide a questionnaire, don't provide the answers that you would have answered the questionnaire with. Just say hello, give somebody something that they can ask you about, take it from there. Appreciate you stopping by today. That's it. I just wanted to share that with you because that was too much. You don't want to make that mistake. You want to be your own little commercial for a reason to have a conversation with you, to then decide if this is a person you want to meet, to then decide if this is a person you want to date longer term. You shouldn't know that before you even communicate with this person in any way. I hope you will subscribe if you found this interesting or helpful. You can hit the ring bell and then you're notified every time I upload a new episode. And I will look forward to seeing you back again soon. Thanks for being here and have a good one.